Hello, how are you?
Hi, welcome. This is the Hawaiian Mission Houses historic site and archives, and we tell the story of missionaries who came from New England in 1821, came here to Hawaii, and what they wanted to do was translate the Hawaiian language into English so that they could teach the Hawaiians about the Bible and Christianity. And our missionaries were actually the first missionaries to print the Hawaiian language. So they brought a printing press with them, translated the Hawaiian language, and printed it on paper. And our museum tells the history of those missionaries. And this is a guide orientation. Here's a map of the grounds. And then it has more information in the brochure that you can learn about. And you can visit our website at www.missionhouses.
How long is the tour? How many hours?
Tours about an hour long. We do tours every hour, Tuesday through Saturday, and they're about an hour long with our guided docents.
It's $25 for a couple of family?
$20. $20 each, $15 for Hawaiian residents, military, or students.
Visitors, come visit again. Come visit us again.
Yep, come visit today, definitely. Everyone's welcome.
That's good. This is the model? What is this model about?
This diorama is what it looked like when the missionaries first got here in 1821. And they started building their houses and the church. You can see it looks a lot different.
And this was like this before, long time ago.
1821. And the frame house that they built out of wood is still standing here today on the grounds. And you can go inside it and you go on the tour.
Thank you very much. I'll see you again.
Over 200 years ago, so 1821. So this piece of land that we're on right here. And so I want you to take note that the houses are halekili. So they're traditional, native Hawaiian homes. And then this one that's being built over here is the frame house that Mike is starting in, where the missionaries and several families lived at a time in the 1820s to about the 1850s in this frame house. So that was being built in 1821, and I want you to take note of the church, which I think you just came from, the Waiha'a Church over there. Started off as haliki. So it eventually got built as coral, the way it is today. So if you can just notice that King Street, which is right here, where the pathway is going along, is dirt road. It used to be called King's Path and King's Way before it got called King Street. So if you can just take note, and then observations we noticed